Did you know that the global events industry is projected to grow to $1,552.9 billion by 2028? Yet, according to studies, 39% of event planners consider managing attendee expectations their biggest challenge. Many organizations struggle with executing successful events, whether they're corporate conferences, product launches, or stakeholder meetings. Without proper training, companies often face issues like budget overruns, logistical nightmares, and failure to achieve event objectives. This can lead to wasted resources, missed opportunities for brand building, and disappointed stakeholders. At a personal level, professionals tasked with event planning often feel overwhelmed by the multitude of details involved. They may struggle with vendor management, lack confidence in crisis handling during events, or find it challenging to align event goals with broader organizational objectives. This can result in high stress levels, inefficient planning processes, and events that fail to deliver the desired impact. This comprehensive certification course steps in to address these challenges head-on. By providing in-depth training on event planning strategies and management techniques, it equips both organizations and individuals with the tools they need to create and execute memorable, impactful events. The benefits of this course are substantial. Participants will learn to develop comprehensive event strategies, master the art of budgeting and resource allocation, and acquire skills in risk management for events. They'll also explore innovative event technologies, sustainability in event planning, and techniques for measuring event success. For organizations, the impact of this training can be transformative. Companies will see improvements in event ROI, enhanced brand experiences for attendees, and more strategic use of events as a business tool. This can lead to stronger stakeholder relationships, increased brand loyalty, and more effective achievement of business objectives through well-executed events. On a personal and team level, professionals will experience a significant boost in their event planning and management capabilities. They'll be able to handle complex event logistics with ease, contribute strategic ideas to event concepts, and manage events more confidently and efficiently. Teams will collaborate more effectively on event projects, ensuring seamless execution from concept to completion. Don't let poor event planning hold your organization back from creating impactful experiences. Empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in event management. Enroll in this certification course today and take the first step towards mastering the art and science of event planning. Your journey to becoming a skilled event professional starts here. Seize this opportunity to transform your organization's approach to events and create experiences that truly resonate with your audience.